Imagine testing a 12 fiber MPO connector in 12 seconds. We did. Introducing the new FiberChek Sidewinder from Viavi Solutions, the first fiber inspection solution to completely automate the multi-fiber inspection process. Automatically capture images of each of the fibers and analyze them for defects, and get analysis results in a matter of seconds. With an integrated touchscreen display, FiberChek Sidewinder gives you the ability to view the pass-fail analysis results for each individual fiber, providing you completely autonomous operation in an all-in-one handheld inspection and analysis solution for multi-fiber connectors.